Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I thought we'd have fun doing something a little different today. I have a black tie wedding coming up in May. I am busy sourcing dresses from all over to try on to see if I can find the best one that suits me. And I thought we would just do a quick try on. Actually, first, the shower is in a couple of weekends and I've picked a dress out for that I think I like. We'll try that on, and then I have 4 dresses. So let's just try them on. Let's get into it. See what I've got, see how it fits, see how it looks. This is the dress for the shower. It's absolutely not casual. It's a cross between dressy, I have no idea what's happening with my hair, dressy and very dressy. I just thought this was kind of pretty because it's got the chiffon, but I think that the blue and the floral of it, while being springy, makes it a little more casual. I'm gonna back up. I'm not sure how any of this is working. I'm just gonna keep backing up and hope that you guys can see. You know what? I need something to stand on. We'll see if this does the trick. This is a stool that I keep in the bathroom for the girls. The only thing I don't know about this, and I'll hope that it shows, is that it's got the big chiffon part over top, but underneath the skirt part that actually is what covers you up, this part, is kind of short. I'm not sure how I feel about that. We'll have to look back. I'll look back on the video and see how subtle I think it is. Also, I didn't realize, where is it? I got a lot of knee out too. I like it though. I like the way it fits. I think it is a perfect fit. It's a Jessica Simpson. I think it was a HSN today's special value. I like it a lot. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's like a perfect fit. It's like it was made for me in the fit. Here's hoping we have that kind of luck with all of the wedding dresses. Let's try another one. Now I've realized the hall was a little dark, so I've turned on more light in the hall. I went back and looked at that video. We're moving into the first dress for the wedding now. Can you guys tell? This is beaded and gorgeous. I picked it up from Nordstrom. It didn't come from Nordstrom. They drop ship now just from whoever the vendor is, which I don't know. It seems a little sketch when you get a not inexpensive dress in a bag. Anyway, it has a ruched side. Can you guys tell it's chiffon-y? And it has this gorgeous ruching. I think it depends on how low this V-neck is, because I think that if it's not low enough, this is gonna look matronly. Also, the only rule that I have is I hate myself in navy. And it's clearly navy, but I liked the dress so much that I just thought, you know what, I'm gonna try it on. I'm looking at it and I'm telling you right now, it looks a little small. I'm a little worried about that. I think it says, yeah, it's a 14. Wondering if I should have gotten the 16, but we'll try it. I have until May. We can work this out if it's almost perfect. One of the reasons I chose this, and you'll see this theme in all of the dresses that you see me in, I lost a couple of 100 pounds and my upper arms are a tragedy, tragedy, tragedy. And I just can't bear to have them out. And you know what? Try buying a formal dress that is not sleeveless. I challenge you. It is so difficult. So when I saw this one, this is a very small sleeve. When I saw this one with the lace, I thought, okay, that's kind of pretty. So although it's blue, we're gonna give it a try. Let's see what it looks like. She's pretty. Not me, she, the dress she. I like it a lot. Okay, I think the V-neck, I worried that the V-neck would be too high, you know, and if it sits high, it tends to look a little more matronly. This, kind of like the one I just had on, I don't know if it's coming across, but it is like a perfect fit. I mean, it is, the ruching hits me where it's supposed to. Because it's ruched, I feel, I mean, I'm a little lumpy and bumpy here, and I've been lumpy and bumpy and lost a lot of weight. I already have my Spanx on. Full disclosure, I already have my Spanx on, so it doesn't get any better than this. Is it too bumpy from the side? Am I too bumpy? Let me know. Don't be mean, but be honest. Okay, the only thing about it that I'm not sure about, I'll back up and stand on the thing in a minute. I turned on that light, so hopefully that'll help. I love the sleeves. I love that they're lace, but that they're see-through. They're below my elbow. I can swing my arms around and feel way less self-conscious, but watch. And how often do you do this at a wedding? Well, if you don't dance, not as much, but if you dance a lot, when I pull my hands up, like, oh no, we're being robbed, and then I put my hands down, the dress rides up, and I end up with this gapping, and so I have to pull it back down. And if I'm already doing it here, how insane is that going to make me at the wedding? But then again, You go into the church, you sit down. You go into the reception, you sit down. The only time it's truly going to be a problem is the dancing part. And I'm liable to be in really nice heels, so how much dancing am I going to do? I don't know. Absolutely have to take it into consideration, but I love it. Can you guys see? I hope you can see. You know, I'm taping with my camera and I have so many lights here. I can't see much, but the ruching that I showed you is here, and this little jeweled piece is gorgeous. It has the chiffony part over it with the drape that I think, even though, can you tell? I've got my knee out here. Let me stand on the thing again. Hopefully with this light, we've got better lighting, but see my knees out, which I think kind of helps, because I do think that with the ruching and this top, it leans a little matronly, but I think when you can take your knee out, it helps. It is a little long, but I will probably be in, you know, some heels. Okay, let me show you the back. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. This is it from the back, from the side. I hope this is light enough for you guys to see. So this is dress number 1. Time for, who is this? I don't even know who this is. This is Alex Evening's dress number 2. Okay. Immediate no. Immediate no. This is the problem with buying things online, is you can't see them, you can't feel them, you can't touch them. This weighs, I don't know, 100 pounds? Seriously, probably 10. It is so many layers and so heavy. Once I get it off, I'll hold it up to the camera and show you guys. But first of all, it immediately reads Victorian mourning. I feel like it's 1868 and I'm in mourning for my soldier. I have nowhere near enough bosoms. It's kind of a surplus top, but I can't, there's a whole bag over here that I think is supposed to be filled with boob, and well, we can all see that's not happening. I like the fact that my sleeves are covered, but this lace, it just, the whole thing, it's wrong. It's a million, it does fit me. I mean, from the waist here, I'll stand on my stick. I mean, it fits perfectly. It's a nice fit. It hangs nicely, but it's just, I feel like, doom, 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 doom. Okay. Let's go try number 3. I'll show you this one while I have it on. Okay, I decided to go ahead and show you this one and the next one I'm going to put on. Before I put it on, I hope that this red sweatiness that I'm whipping up is relatable. I hope I'm not the only one out there that once you get into trying on a million things, gets a little warm. My glasses are even fogging up. So this is a Kiana, and I just thought I would show you. This is what it looks like out of the packaging. So it's really pretty lacing. It's got nice stretch to it. So if this is something that you would like, the stretch is fantastic on it. It was the nice V-neck, well, surplus top. You could always pin it if it was just a little off for you. It was way off for me. The waist was just kind of a, almost like a cummerbund style waist. I hope that's showing. I can't, it's so bright in here in my face, I can't tell. And then the skirt is just that lace over, I think, 2 layers of a real heavy kind of polyester sheeting. It is heavy. And then this one also is a 14. This is the next one that we're going to try on. It's kind of got the lace into a, oh, that's a surplus. Oh, good. But the under part, the part underneath is not a surplus. I don't have enough bosoms to support a general surplus top. So it can be that way a little bit, but oh, that sleeve's gonna be too small. I am telling you right now, I don't know if you guys can tell, that is a pretty small sleeve, and these are not pretty small arms. I have no idea what's happening with my hair. Gonna beg a little forgiveness. Also, no real makeup on. Okay, so this goes down to, it's all sequined. There are sequins all over. Can you see it? Ooh, she's shiny. And then a sequined band. She's pretty. Let's go put her on, see how we like her. Does this look like the face of a winner? It does not. The zipper on the dress that I held up and was like, this is the next one with the sequins. Nope, zipper was broken on it. It wouldn't even zip down about a quarter, and that was not enough to get me into it. This is the next one. I don't know if you can tell by the way I'm standing in it. It's atrocious. It's absolutely horrible. This flippity flappity cape on top. I feel like a cross between a chef and a 1970s heiress. I'm hot and I'm sweaty and I'm tired of this, and the only one I liked was the blue one, and I don't even like blue. And the under part of it is just like, it's a jersey knit. Can you tell? I don't know if you can tell. It's just like a jersey knit. And I'll show you the worst part. You ready? The worst part is the slit. You see my Spanx? So first of all, different Spanx would be necessary. I am not comfortable showing that much thigh, especially that much chunky thigh at a black tie wedding. So anyway, this was so much fun. I hope it was as fun for you guys as it was for me. I had 4 formal dresses. The first one, the one I anticipated liking the least because its fatal flaw is it's blue, I think probably actually looks the best on me, and it's the one that gets to hang in my closet until I find one that I like better than that. The second black one was like a Victorian morning dress, way too heavy, no. The third one, the zipper was broken. I liked the sequins of it. Also, I think I would have had to size up. The width on the arm was about that. The width on my arm is about that. And then this thing. This is an atrocity. This is a crime against nature. Everything about this is horrible on me. But the good news, what's the good news, Catherine? The good news is I do have one hanging. The blue one looked pretty good. My husband's going to be in a black tie tux, so he'll be in black. I don't think I can do black and blue. We'll see. Depends on if I can find another dress I like better. So be sure and let me know below. What do you think? Yeah, I mean, I really didn't give you any options, did I? It's really mostly just, do you like the blue one or don't you? And then we have the one for the shower. I really liked that one. If I'm really off and I look horrible in that, maybe don't tell me because I like it. And if you all are like, oh my gosh, you know how fat that thing makes you look? It'll just ruin my day. I'll probably wear it anyway, but I'll feel sad about it. Okay. So let me know. This is a little new for me, doing a try on. Got a little hot doing this, low red. Okay, it was good. It was a learning experience. What I learned was I'm probably not a 14, I'm probably a 16 in formal dresses, so I will move forward ordering 16s because that 14 looked incredibly small, although the blue one is a 14 and it fit. You know what? I'll read about it, but it might be a 14W, which means it has just a skosh more width. So that might be the difference. Anyway, 14W or 16. That's what we learned. Okay. We also learned I don't look good in capes. All right. Thank you so much for coming by. Let's talk below in the comments. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have other better videos coming out than this one. And I will see you again really soon, I hope. Bye, guys. Have a great evening.